Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I will be using the July Good Life collection from Pixel Scrapper, and I will leave a link down below to that. So I have printed out the items from this digital kit, and it does include things specifically for the Traveler's Notebook, which I have used here. I have a set of papers and I've printed out a couple of those, and that is what's on the left side in the background, and then the right side is just a printable journal page that you can stick in and be done, because I only like to do one side of the page in the notebook, so I always like to include some fillers so that I don't have to work so hard. And I'm just going ahead and taping that down there on the right side. And in between here I have a clear plastic pocket that is the full size of the notebook, and so I have just stuck in there a clear transparency that I have. It's got some gold dots and it's quite nice, so I've just stuck that there in the middle to give a little extra flair. So now that I have all my background pages stuck down, I'm going to work here on layering my photo, adding in some different, you can see there I've pulled out some of the other papers that I've included in the kit. There are a lot of papers, so these are only a couple of the options that I've printed out. And then you can see sitting there on my desk are some of the tags and little elements that I've included that I will use a few to finish up this spread. And as always, I will probably include some random scraps from my stash. And here I am actually going to include an extra photo behind the photo. So I have a little vellum bag there that I've stuck one photo in, and I'm going to put that behind my photo so that I can include that extra photo there. All of my digital kits do include these a banner making page. So here I've just cut out one of the sets of banners, and they're double-sided, so you just need to fold them over a piece of twine like I've done here and tape them or staple them however you want. And it's just a kind of a fun little thing to include in your notebook. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.